We're here with Mark Johnson from MA Restoration. And Mark, can you tell me a little bit about your company, how you got started, what you do, and then your experience with Contractor Staffing Source?
Sure. So I am Mark Johnson from MA Restoration. We've been in business for 30 years, and hiring has been an issue for us overall. But we are in the restoration business, and we hire anywhere from kind of some lower skilled jobs to some higher skilled jobs. But there's definitely a need for us to get the right people in here. So what I found with contractor staffing is they'll do all the heavy lifting of sourcing the resumes, the applicants, going through the assessment process, which we found has been very helpful in the past. And what that does is it allows us to choose candidates that we feel are going to be best fit for the team. And then we can train on skills after that. But the biggest thing is that we can kind of tell the type of candidates that they are before we actually bring them in for an in-person interview.
Okay. And how many people have you hired through Contractor Staffing Source?
I think it's been at least 12 or 13, maybe.
Okay. Have most of those people worked out?
Yes. So there's some of them that are not here anymore. But it's again, the assessment is only as good as what is what they answer the questions. It's not 100% guaranteed for anything in life. So this is one of those things you're going to have to take the good with the bad. But I think overall, we wouldn't have been with contractor staffing for around over 2 years, 2 years and 3 months, 2 years, 4 months since we started. We wouldn't continue with the service if it wasn't a valued service for us overall. So again, it's taken a lot of the heavy lifting off of our plate and putting everybody on the same even plane, that we can make our best choices out of the candidates that we have available.
And so you would recommend Contractor Staffing Source and to other contractors?
Yes, I would highly recommend them to other contractors that are looking to hire good people, good quality people. And if your time is more valuable actually getting the work done or running your business, then hand it off to the experts.
Okay. Thank you, Mark. I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem at all.